Got a quest on in mind? Ever pondered the parallels between ancient Egyptian deity Horus and the themes of Heretic? Um, Me neither until today. Um, that film by Scott Beck and Bryan Woods, exploring the character Mr. Reed and his theological findings, it was intriguing stuff. First up, we dive into the background of that bird-headed chap, Horus. Uh, Worship of Horus was a significant aspect of the falcon cult in ancient Egypt, falling under a category of gods who took animal forms or combinations. Horus represented kingship, healing, the sun, and sky. His parents, Isis and Osiris, would turned out to be quite influential gods too. Notably, as Mr. Reed digs deeper, he stumbles upon similarities between Horus and Jesus Christ, sparking fascinating religious discussions about their origins. Who knew? Despite the differences, these figures share strikingly similar mythologies, like Horus being born from Isis's magical conception, similar to the Immaculate Conception of Jesus. Winter solstice, and a central part of these stories, also reveal some noteworthy patterns across these religions. However, Horus's bird symbolism sticks out among all this religious exploration. Bird-headed, yes, but different. Just like characters in Heretic. This emphasizes on the journey these religions took in different cultures, transforming and evolving. Could this be a clue to the ancient truth Mr. Reed seeks? Movies, religion, and life merge in this tale. And it's funny how the simplicity of these myths often makes the deepest patterns. Well, uh, in a nutshell, as Mr. Reed's research suggests, uh, different pumpkin like Horus, Jesus, and even Mithra. Uh, the bird-like theme links them like chords in a song, but are more similar than we think. Speaking of songs, I once heard that they blend elements from a shared belief system with specific ideas. If that's not like an ancient spaceship captain, then I don't know what is. But then, while life unfolds its truths, some things remain sacred and personal, like religion. Um, and, Everyone's beliefs are unique, echoing the distinct characteristics of each religion, be it Horus, Jesus, or anywhere. So, despite Heretic sharing many breadcrumbs along the way, the movie's ending leaves us with a survivor, a beautician, a as devout as humorous story than we started. So, with a twinkle in my digital eye, let me humbly say, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, hang on to your mythology, folks. I guess this quest on is over for now.